So here is a question answering app that I am showcasing here. So this app has a document text box where I have pre-populated the text box with a paragraph from a Super Bowl competition, and it says about Super Bowl 50, where it was played, who are the team that competed in that competition, who won the title, and some other text, right? So the goal of our application is we want our app to understand this document semantically, so that if we ask any questions on any matter related to this paragraph, the app should be able to answer the question. And to ask the question, I am going to speak into the microphone, right? And the app is going to translate my speech into a text, and it will enter that text into this question text box, right? And once the question is entered, I am going to click on find answer. Once I click on the find answer, it's going to find the app is going to use a machine learning technology called BERT, where it can understand the content of this document semantically, and it can find the answer to my question, and it's going to highlight that answer inside the document, right? So here we start. So I'm going to click on the start speaking button and enter the question. Who won Super Bowl 50?
Denver Broncos.
When was Super Bowl 50 played?
February 7th, 2016.
Where was Super Bowl 50 played?
Levi Stadium.
Which event determines champion of the National Football League?
Super Bowl 50.
Which team Denver Broncos defeated in Super Bowl 50?
Carolina Panthers.
So as you can see, I am able to enter the questions. I am able to speak the question to the microphone. The app is able to translate that question, and the app then finds the answer in the document with that question. It highlights the answer. At the same time, it speaks the answer to you. So it's a very nice app, right, that you can use to play like a comprehension with the computer, where you are the quiz master and your mobile is actually a player, and see how well the mobile does with all your questions. This is also useful when you are reading a long document, and when you don't have a patience or you don't have a time to go through the document, but you just want to find the answer to a specific questions. At that point, you can just load the document inside this mobile app, ask a question, and the app will find the answer to you. So it saves your time and it makes you more productive that way.